This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the front edge of the bonnet a little, pull the safety catch to release it, and fully open the bonnet. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Where an insulator cover is fitted, depress the clips and remove the cover. Slacken the negative lead clamp nut and with a twisting motion, pull the clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Press the lead clamp fully down over the battery negative terminal. Then tighten the retaining nut securely. Lower the insulator cover down over the battery, ensuring that the retaining clips engage. Firmly close the bonnet and check it secure.